This 2018 Forest River Rockwood Hardside A192HW is a pop-up RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 18 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, skylight, water heater, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, microwave, LP detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Rockwood Hardside A192HW is 2,312 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.